Hey everybody, this is KingKusters again. Okay, it's been a long time ago since I've posted anything, but you know, just to keep things moving, I've got some new content, bushcraft and survival, and I want to show you the things I know, the things I can build, the things I might be able to teach you one or two tricks. But you know, it's also a new journey, some adventures, you know. Let's post some new content. Today I want to show you a couple of equipment that I love and I would love to take with me on the trip, with our camping trip, and a bit of survival. We're gonna stay for 2 days. You know, that's just not enough time to catch our own food. We have a law here in Europe that you cannot just go out into the woods, into the forest to just camp and just do your stuff. That's just illegal. But, you know, to do the things that we are not allowed to do is just fun to do. And I'm also gonna teach you how to do it and not to get caught. Okay, but anyways, I'm about to show you some of the equipment that I'm gonna carry with me on this journey. First up, we have the hand saw, just to unfold it. You know, it's quite a nice size that you can fit in your pocket or in your backpack or whatever. It's sharp as hell, so stainless steel. Right, next, the hatchet. You know, I love the design, Caribbean hook. Got some paracord on it. Got some army print paracord. Hard steel, you know, with a hammerhead, sharp edge. I customized it myself just to give it my own personal touch. Multi-tool shovel, you know. You can use this piece just to open bottles or use it as a wrench. This piece also as a saw. Yeah, and the shovel head itself. And the last thing that I always carry with me is my pocket knife. Small size, but sharp. Anyway, got this nice little bag to store it in, like that. So these 4 components I always use on my trips. I always carry them with me. Quite useful. I'm gonna build a wikiup shelter. I'm gonna show you the couple of basics to make the structure. You first wanna get the 1 and the 2 to make your door. Make the space for your door, and then you build around it. Try to fill it up as narrow as it can get, you know, so you can fill it up with some stuff to isolate it. But like you can see, this is quite a small tree. If you wanna find a big tree, you can build also a big shelter. Like this tree, for instance, this tree would be perfect. You see, it's a big one and it's hanging a little. What you want to do, a tree like this, you want to build it on this side, not that side, because you want that the gravity is keeping your shelter against the tree. So build it against this side. You see what I mean? Build it on that side, so the gravity will hold it in place. Okay, So the reason why I'm showing you this now instead of the moment that we are in the forest and we're building our shelter then is because, you know, I don't want to be constantly keep the camera rolling, keep filming, you know, because it's getting darker much sooner and I want to finish it in time. That's why I'm showing you guys now a small tutorial of how you should be able to build it. Okay, so we started with a wikiup. As you can see here, I fill it up with some moss to make it airtight and make it windproof. Windproof, maybe also for the rain, you know. This will be a shelter for the upcoming 2 days. You know, it's 2 o'clock, so we're a little behind schedule. We only got 3 hours left, then it gets dark, so I gotta work on. Huh? Okay, so the base is almost done. We got the final touch, you know, making it windproof, waterproof. Tomorrow I'm gonna build a stove, you know, to keep the heat in the shelter. Now we got a big campfire. Cannot leave this all night on. So tomorrow we're gonna make the final touches for the shelter. Tomorrow I come back to you guys and show you what we've built. Okay, so this is the finished product. This is the shelter. We got our heat shield, campfire, and our wikiup shelter. I also, you know, got this moss everywhere for a good isolation. And we improvised with a door. See? To keep the heat in at night, at least we try. Last night it was pretty darn cold. But like today we made it more luxurious. See, we have a stove for the inside. Hi Chico. Yeah, this is shelter from the inside. You know, staying warm from a fire outside. And the stove that we've made. Yeah. This is what is called
Primitive fire. Booga 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 booga.
If you like what you saw here today, then please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe on that button. If you have any questions, be sure to ask him. Well, thank you for watching. I'll be sure to make more content just for you, just for my faithful watchers on YouTube, on Facebook. This was KingKusters for you.
See you later, alligator.